reviewing water fountains around the school.
To find you the best water. Hi, and welcome to the locker room water fountain. So funny. It's okay. Like after practice, it's probably high quality, but it's like kind of warm.
It's kind of like metal.
I didn't like that. It's a little warm.
Hi, and welcome to the Fieldhouse water fountain. She's cold. She's really good.
She's cold. There's something in there. I would get a shot.
What do we call this water fountain? It's a little mealy, rainy.
That was my word.
Welcome to the 4000s water fountain. Oh, so I did it right.
I don't think I've ever even seen this water fountain before. It's cold, but it's like, it's a weird flavor.
Yeah. Oh. That wasn't good. No. That was like, I don't want to compare it to puke, but like.
But like a little bit.
The aftertaste is A, disgusting. B, it's like cooler temperatured water.
I feel like it's 10 out of 10 lead.
Hi, and welcome to the 3000s water fountain. It's not a good temperature. It's really not, not what I need.
It's kind of thick.
I don't mind it. I think that's fine. It's the least grainy.
Are we talking about how there's no water fountains in the 2000s? What if I'm dehydrated during English class?
Hi, and welcome to the first floor 1000s water fountain.
Ooh, it's very chilled, like Arctic ice.
Goldrick is the good stuff.
So what I hate most is when the water is like, doesn't even reach above here, so you have to put your mouth like so close.
It does.
Oh, it does? Well, I'm weak.
just goes
I'm weak.
She's weak.
But anyways, this is the coldest so far. However, by far the most metal-y.
No.
No.
Did you taste that other one?
That one gave me, I think that other water fountain gave me a toothache.
Hi, and welcome to
Goldrick Springs.
How was it?
It's so good.
Super qual. Okay.
I'm a little wet.
I like filling my water bottle up here. It's the coldest in the school.
We've arrived at a supposedly good water station. I'm dumping my past water mixture.
What a waste. She's killing the environment.
Right now we're on a hunt to see if there's a water fountain on the 3rd floor, which
Spoiler alert, there is.
Isn't.
There is. Hurry up. Water fountain.
Do you want me to be honest? I don't know where we are. You think you're on the 2nd floor? No, really? You're on the 3rd.
Hi, and welcome to the 3rd floor water fountain.
Nora! It's very cold, but it has a little metally vibes. The vibs are metally.
The 2000s has me feeling dehydrated as
Hi, and welcome to the main entrance water fountain.
It doesn't even work. It's fine. Let's try the lower one.
The lifted one. Oh, that one has
That takes a lot of arm muscle.
That's a pretty nice arc though.
It is a nice parabola. Ugh, no.
I hate this. This is disgusting.
Cold, not as cold as the 1000, but still cold.
It's metally because you can taste your necklace to compare.
But I was about to do it and I was like,
I don't trust this one because it was like so gross and broken for so
It
long.
used to have like, it was like covered over with like plastic bags and there was like sewer coming out of it, so don't drink here.
I just would never trust it.
It's so warm. Really unnecessary. It's probably just as warm. Let's skip it. We would definitely. Thin. And it has a bad taste. This is the worst one by far.
The 2nd floor hydration station
Yeah.
by Mr. Stark's room.
Obviously
springs, as we like to call them here in Newton South, are the best provider of water in
But the front has really improved.
The science hall.
Told you.
Ew, that one gave me a toothache.
Guys, here's to the field house. The water.
Yes, so good.
Wait, if I'm all the way in the 6,000s, I will break my back to go all the way up.
I agree.
Like I
Also
will.
miss class, so it's pretty worth it.
I go to the field house
Nala
sometimes.
does not endorse skipping
Fair
class.
The one in the by the field house, but not
entrance.
yeah, in the entrance to the field house.
I think about this a little bit too much.
Yeah.